Which U.S. state is known as the Bluegrass State? A. Kentucky, B. Tennessee, C. Georgia, D. Virginia. The correct answer is A. Kentucky. Which country is home to the Great Barrier Reef? A. USA, B. Australia, C. South Africa, D. Brazil. The correct answer is B. Australia. Which U.S. city is nicknamed the Windy City? A. New York, B. Detroit, C. Boston, D. Chicago. The correct answer is D. Chicago. Which country is famous for tulips and windmills? A. Belgium, B. Netherlands, C. Denmark, D. Germany. The correct answer is B. Netherlands. Which U.S. state is called the Peach State? A. Florida, B. California, C. Georgia, D. Alabama. The correct answer is C. Georgia. Which country has the world's largest desert, the Sahara? A. Egypt, B. India, C. Australia, D. China. The correct answer is A. Egypt. Which U.S. city is home to the Liberty Bell? A. Boston, B. Philadelphia, C. Washington, D.C., D. Baltimore. The correct answer is B. Philadelphia. Which country is famous for Mount Fuji? A. China, B. Thailand, C. Korea, D. Japan. The correct answer is D. Japan. Which U.S. state is known for Hollywood? A. Nevada, B. Florida, C. California, D. Texas. The correct answer is C. California. Which country has the maple leaf on its flag? A. USA, B. Canada, C. UK, D. Switzerland. The correct answer is B. Canada. Comment your answer below, and thanks for watching US Brain Test. Subscribe for more.